If I had to start over and rebuild my $15,000 plus a month content business from scratch, these are the systems that let me create high quality reels super fast so I can actually grow my personal brand and stay consistent on my content creation game. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Torsten Roscoe. I create short form video editing assets for content creators and video editors exactly like you. They're made to streamline your entire editing process so you guys can pump out crap tons of high quality reels just like these on screen right now in just a fraction of the time. I'll leave those down in the first link in the description so you don't miss out on them. And without further ado, let me teach you my most important automation that I would start right now. So this first automation allowed me to create this reel you see on screen right now in just a few simple clicks. And if you guys watch this entire video, this is by far the most important one I want you guys to take away from this video, because this one has genuinely saved me hours, if not days of my life creating content, and it allows me to literally not stay on my desk all day. And that is video editing presets. Now, in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can make presets which are super duper easy. I can show you right now how I use them. So let's create this. So I have them lined up right here. Obviously, this one doesn't have any animations you can see on screen. All I have to do is come into my effects, come into my presets that I have down in the link in the description. You guys want to grab them? I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't. They're a no-brainer. They help me so much. And all I have to do is, let's say I want to animate the way and the ways. So I just highlight both of them, come over here, and let's say I want these to appear down. So I have them appear down. I render this out super duper quickly. So this is the after. You can see that is just, it comes in right here, and then this is the before. So, this is the before, which literally has nothing. Nothing's going on, it's boring. I don't wanna watch a reel that does that. And then we can just come into here and do the exact same thing. So I want these to, let's say, just highlight both of them. Let's have these, I don't know, appear right. We can come over here. We can have this text right here. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna make this one, I don't know, flicker in with an appear. I want it to appear up, and then I want this reel and high to appear down. And then we can just quickly come over to here, do the same things for these. So I want these to actually just fade in with a cool, that negative effect. I'll just drag and drop it, and it gives you this negative effect on the background. I'll do the exact same thing for these. So highlight them, give them this cool negative effect so it sticks out. Negative effect, there we go. I accidentally did a flicker out, you know. Who cares? And then I want this, I don't know, we'll have this in appear up. We can have this this just, so this really cool just. Click on it, have that appear down, and then we'll have this second, I don't know, flicker in with, yeah, that's perfect. So now, in a few simple clicks, I just made this reel. So now in a matter of seconds, I literally just created this. I mean, all these animations you see on screen right now, I literally just did one single clip, which is absolutely awesome. And this is by far the most important one, and this is the highest leverage activity I would automate right now. And the way you guys can do this is by simply just coming up into an animation you made. So for example, I made my flicker in. All I did was I clicked on the flicker in, make sure that you have this. So this is what the flicker in looks like down here. That's the flicker in. All I have to do is come over here, hit save preset, right click on it, hit save preset, and boom, name it whatever, just hit skip and then hit okay. Now you can just come over to your presets that you just saved, drag and drop it, and boom, you get things like this. So this is the before and after. You can clearly tell there's a huge difference. I mean, look at it. In just a matter of a few clicks, I made this. So that's what the power of Premiere Pro presets does for you guys. They save so much time for me. I'll leave mine down in the link in the description. I totally recommend it if you guys don't want to waste time. They're a super no-brainer to grab. And the best part about it is when you grab my all pack, you get a full course on how to use every single one of my presets, my hooks, my captions, every single thing. I go through it with you guys so you know exactly how to use it. Okay, now the second thing I would automate to pretty much just pump out content and not waste so much time. These are high leverage activities that you guys need to master. And that's by using AI correctly. Now, AI is a huge part of my business. I literally wouldn't be doing a lot of the things without AI. And they just save so much of my time so that I can actually put forward to not scripting all day. I'm not a good copywriter, but by just using AI properly and learning AI, you guys can pump out crazy great scripts by using it as a tool, not something that does for you. So what I do is I use this actually bot that someone made. It's called a storytelling master. I'll actually leave it down in the link in the description. It's a really good bot. It just has storytelling frameworks that you guys can use. I use this for all of my scripts that I write, for my ads, my Instagram reels, literally everything that's like 30 seconds or less, I script out pretty much almost entirely. And I use AI to do it. And not only do I use AI to help me, but I also use it to help me edit things. I mean, I ask it questions like you can see right here. I'm trying to make a Mogart for one of my new packs. And I don't know how to use After Effects very well, but by just using AI, it helps me create really cool things that I can help you guys out and I can personally gain from, which is literally a win-win. I'm helping you and you're also helping me. So it's a dub-dub. I also use it for like, I mean, I call this it's Kai. I'm not gonna click into it because it's very personal to me, but I literally use this as not only something that helps me in my business, but also I use it as personal development, and I kind of teach it, I tell it all my secrets, my deep heart secrets, that things I struggle with. So it just literally acts as a therapy bot, and that's why I think AI is so important. It helps you automate so much more processes. You don't have to think about things. It helps me write emails, so much more. So I totally recommend you guys mastering AI, using AI tools every single day to help you just save a bunch of time. And that's exactly what I do. Now, the last thing I totally recommend you guys grabbing to save you a bunch of time and help you just pump out content, because in your business, in your personal brand, pumping out content is the most important thing. And if you can automate that entire process by using AI to script and using editing to edit your videos, you're gonna be pumping out high quality videos just like me really fast. And I realized that I screw up a lot when I am trying to memorize the entire script. Like I literally have to look left, right, memorize it, look left, right, and it would just waste me so much time. But now I don't have to do that anymore because I use this Elgato prompter. That's what it's called, an Elgato prompter. I'm not sponsored by this at all. I'm literally telling you guys this because I love this thing so much. I just picked it up a couple days ago and I'm absolutely in love with it. This Elgato prompter, I'll show you guys what it does. I'll have actually my editor, I'll have my editor pop up just videos of it, what it does. It's showing the actual clips of it. But essentially, it literally, you can pop in a script, so pop in your script into the Elgato prompter, and then boom, you just pop this onto your camera just like this, and it shows all the words and everything. So you can pretty much just stare at your camera like I'm doing right now and pretty much read a script all at the exact same time instead of going left and right or looking at your phone up and down. You don't have to memorize the script. All you have to do is just bop. This saves me so much time, dude. I mean, I pump out now a fuck ton of ads for my business in a matter of literally, dude, it used to take me like 45 minutes just to pump out one ad because I would have to look left and right and I mess up a lot. But now I just have to pump it out in like what? One ad takes me less than like 5 minutes, which is, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but that's a huge difference to me. So I totally recommend getting that Elgato prompter. I just threw it on my bed. Hopefully it's all right. And those are the 3 top things I would do right now to automate my entire process and pump out content like crazy. Now, if you guys want to learn exactly how I edited that entire reel, I'll leave the video of me breaking out exactly how I did it right over here. I do the entire edit with you guys using my systems and teaching you guys how I do it. So that way you guys can just pump out a video just like that super duper quickly. And thank you for watching this video. If you guys could, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!